Now, scrying is old magic. I love an old folkloric magic. I'm into folk magic and into old magic. And scrying shows up in old texts. I mean, really texts from all eras. So, for example, we see an ancient tradition among many Mesoamerican cultures that using doing divination either with the surface of a bowl of water as a mirror or using those obsidian mirrors. We see this in Maya, Aztec, and Purepecha, Purepecha, sorry, um, systems. And those systems, we see that scrying is done. Divination is also mentioned in the Bible in chapter 44 of the book of Genesis. It talks about a silver chalice that belongs to Joseph and was used for drinking and for divination. We also see it in the Shahnameh, a 10th century epic work narrating historical and mythological past of Persia. And in that book, we see the cup of Jamshid, which was used by the ancient Persian kings for observing all the 7 layers of the universe. So another cup that was used for scrying, and that would imply that water scrying was being done. In the late 1820s, Joseph Smith, who founded the Mormon Church, was said to get his information from what he called a peepstone, from peepstones, which are scrying stones. So Smith himself had at least 3 separate stones, including his favorite, which was a brown stone that he found during excavation of a neighbor's well. And initially, he would use these stones in various treasure digging quests in the early 1820s. He would put the stone inside of his hat and then put his face in his hat to see these visions that would give him information. He was also said to have created a set of spectacles comprised of these seeing stones. And through these spectacles that he made from the peepstones, he could translate the golden plates that are the source, the stated source of the Book of Mormon. So we see scrying showing up in all of these spiritual practices.